Hey guys, it's here. Oh, okay, it's here. Ugh. What the? Yo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yo, this is, what's this? Oh, this is just like, look at the tag. Okay, let me pick up the tag real quick. One second. This is the tag. Yo. Yo. Finally, it's here. Wait, let me put this over here real quick. This, I'm gonna put that there. Okay, look at this. Yo. Oh my god. Okay, this is so cool. Finally, it came in the Sprayground, bro. Oh my gosh. 1 second. This is so cool. I've been waiting for this. Okay, let me check if it's here. Yup. There it is. Put that back in there. Finally, okay. You see that? Right there. Take that off. I thought the material was going to be way different because it said 900D polyester fabric, but the material is really good for some reason. I'm so freaking happy. Finally, I just need to take this off. This is a pain to take off a bit because it's like I think it's like sticky and stuff. Okay, there we go. 1 second. Okay. Come on, get off. Wait. I'm still trying to take this off, right? All the way from frickin' Florida, bro. It took so damn long. But finally, as soon as it like arrived at my house, yo, I got so happy. Bro, this is so freaking hard to take off. What was that? Oh, it was just a package. I was wondering what's up. There we go. There we go. Now we're almost there. Come on. I was just singing. No, I'll just leave it for now. But look at this. Wait, what's in here? Okay, so nothing in here. Put that back on. There's like something in here. It's like these nasty thingies. Look at this. Limited edition. Let me put those there. And then we have this pocket up here. It's like this. Oh, it's like soft and stuff. Let me close that back up. Okay. Oh, there's like right here. There's like some stuff in here. I gotta take that off. I don't even notice. Yeah, it's a Sprayground Authentic. Wait, let me check the. This. The material is actually pretty good. Wait, there's like some Chinese writing in here. Wait, let me, because there's like at the bottom of here, there's like some space in here as well. What the fuck was I able to put that on? Okay, let me just close that back up and put that there. These are like squishy pad thingies. And here is like space. You want to put something in there. Let me close this back up real quick. Close it up. I've been looking at way too much Sprayground, bro. Wait, let me see what it looks like on. Okay, I put it on. Let me just. Okay, there we go. Sprayground. It's like so jingly. It's so jingly. But like, bro, look at this tag. Oh shoot, it came off. But look at this tag. Okay. This thingy majingy. Let me put this back on. I just need to. Okay. And then this. Wait, actually, let me try this. Put it on like this. One second. Let me put this back on. There we go. This tag is fire. It's very comfortable for some reason. Oh, let me show you my old backpack. This was my old backpack that I used to use. This was right here. And then the new one right here. I'm just trying to figure out what this paper is. It's just some paper with like random stuff on it. Okay, it's like very, very good. Wait, let me. Okay. W bag. Bye, guys.